Last week, I posted this video on how I built the automated research agent that does my news reading for me. But I needed to know if it was actually good, or if I was just fooling myself. So, I sent the agent I built to a pair of tech podcasters known for being brutally honest. I just asked, is this effective, or is it garbage? Here is what they had to say.
Okay, so let's get into this. We've got a blueprint here for what they're calling an autonomous AI agent.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, and its whole deal is filtering the news and sending you an email.
Another one. I mean, honestly, using N8N, 3 different APIs, it feels like using a NASA rocket to open a jar of pickles.
That's it exactly. You must have rolled your eyes when you read Autonomous AI Agent. It just screams over-engineered RSS reader.
Well, we've seen this 1,000 times, right? This automation of news filtering.
Can't the user just, I don't know, open a browser? Or use one of the dozen tools that already exist for this?
I mean, sure, the core goal cutting through the noise is perfectly legitimate, but the implementation just feels excessive at first glance.
Wait, hang on. Before we completely throw this thing out, there is a piece of engineering here that, well, it actually makes me stop.
Oh, yeah.
The judgment layer, where they used GPT-4o Mini. They didn't just ask it, hey, this is interesting.
Okay. I see what you're getting at. It's the ruthless insistence on data consistency.
Yes. They force the AI to return a clean, structured JSON object every single time.
With a numerical score and a specific reason.
And the temperature is set to 0.5 or lower. It keeps the AI cold, logical. There's zero room for it to get creative.
And that structure is what saves the whole project from being, well, junk.
It guarantees the data flowing downstream is actually high quality.
And if you zoom out from that little detail, you see the whole picture. That's the core of real agentic AI.
Right. It's a blueprint. You've got the 4 layers. Ingest,
which is the RSS feeds, yeah. Then judgment, which is that open AI filtering we just talked about.
Then research with Tavily, and finally delivery, the email.
It's a legitimate, reusable process.
Okay, but let's talk about the trade-off. Relying on all these high-cost APIs like GPT and Tavily for every single run, that has to jack up the operational cost, right?
Yeah.
And the latency.
Absolutely. Cost is the trade-off, no question. But the value you get in return, especially from that research layer, is exponential.
Because most people would just stop after the filter.
Exactly. They'd send you the raw link. This agent hands the filtered headline over to Tavily, and not just as a search engine.
No, it acts as a dedicated researcher.
And that's because of that one little detail, the include answer parameter.
That's the game changer, setting it to basic or advanced.
Precisely. That one setting forces Tavily to actually go read multiple web pages on the topic.
And then it synthesizes a concise, factual summary for you.
So you don't have to click the links, and the developer doesn't have to build a nightmare scraping tool.
And the results they mentioned back this up. Out of 20 headlines, it filtered out 12 as just noise.
Leaving 8 critical updates fully researched and summarized.
Okay, fine, I'll admit it. The initial premise is weak, but the engineering demands respect. The value isn't the news digest itself.
No, the value is the process, the blueprint.
It's a universal model for intelligence gathering.
It earns some grudging respect for sure. The workflow is genuinely robust. It's professional.
And you could just rip this out and repurpose it instantly. Swap RSS feeds for, say, financial filings, and you have a stock analysis tool.
Or competitor tracking. Monitor their press releases and synthesize their strategy.
I hate that I like this. Do you think he knows we're just code?
Hope not.
If you enjoyed this experiment, please hit like. Subscribe to the channel for more practical AI tutorials. Thanks for watching.